My name is Stephen. I'm a future student manager for UNSW Sydney, and I'm looking after for UNSW Indonesia. IDP has been partnered with UNSW Sydney for a number of years, and all this year they have been assisting the student with all the requirements and all the process that is needed for the student to prepare themselves, starting from submitting the application all the way to the campus itself. So by having this FastLane, I believe it will make the student experience nicely, as in like the process from the submitting application all the way to the visa process will be more smoothly and more transparent for the student. I think that will help for the student.
Hello everyone, so I'm Ruth Foster from the University of Birmingham. So I think it's difficult on where to choose and the decisions that you're making that decision on, but also how complex sometimes the application process can be. So students sometimes nail some of the harder, more complex aspects of their application, but sometimes forget the more easy aspects. So things as simple as uploading a passport, that's overlooked and it can delay an application. So it's just making sure that kind of the application's fully and you're meeting deadlines and you know the terminology. So again, I think that tailored experience that FastLane kind of provides, that you're fully informed, knowledgeable of your application and aware of kind of the outcome of what's likely with your application too, really speeds that up for our students. And so you're working hand in hand with IDP, the university and yourself to make sure that it's the best fit and match for you.
Hello, my name is Christina. I represent the University of Reading, which is located in the town of Reading in the UK. Speaking from personal experience as an international student, I found it very challenging to figure out which course I needed to do at which university and which country. I think nowadays there's so much information out there that it could sometimes feel overwhelming for students to make the right choice. So again, another reason to probably approach a career or education consultant like IDP, because eventually they will be able to narrow down the choices for you. I think for international students, they often don't know how approachable universities can actually be. They think that it's a very intimidating process to apply abroad. However, with the FastLane feature, getting an offer is so easy. I just did it myself and I was able to apply within 5 minutes and I got my offer in principle straight away. So I think getting an offer so quickly can actually be an empowering tool for students to feel like they've already got something, and hopefully that gives them confidence for the future as well.
Hi, my name is Chris Wright. I'm from Cardiff University. I work as an international officer there. Well, Cardiff University has worked with the IDP for a number of years now, both in Indonesia and globally. We've always found them to be a really effective partner to provide sound advice and guidance to students to help them with their application process. I think nowadays there's been a lot more study abroad opportunities for students. Obviously this opens up a lot of options for them to study with different universities, and many universities have different restrictions or application processes, so students might have to learn quite a few different ones. Within these challenges, I think this is where having counsellor support and counsellor advice is really important. I think IDP has been really helpful. The FastLane aspect has helped to sort of speed up the application process, and it allows students to be more confident of a positive outcome with their application. They'll have more knowledge about whether they're likely to be accepted or not, so it sort of gets rid of any worries that they may have about their actual application, and it just helps the general efficiency and speed, and so they can be more confident with where they apply.
Halo, perkenalin nama aku Raffi.
Aku Wibi.
Kalau aku pribadi sih punya tujuan untuk kuliah di Australia, pengen ambil jurusan hukum.
Aku juga pengen kuliah di Australia. dengan jurusan sama, hukum.
Selama aku ikut di acara konsultasi ini, aku jadi tahu ternyata untuk kuliah ke luar negeri itu nggak sesusah apa yang aku bayangin gitu loh. Karena dengan adanya acara kayak gini, aku bisa jadi tahu informasi-informasi apa aja yang aku butuhin, aku perluin gitu. Ya tadi sih karena aku pengen ke Australia, aku jadi tahu kalau misalnya ternyata ada berbagai macam universitas yang emang nyediain program-program hukum yang secara spesifik aku mau gitu. Jadi tahu lebih banyak informasinya karena emang ada acara yang kayak gini dari IDP gitu.
Kalau untuk aku sendiri, aku dapat insight banyak sih. Bahkan dalam tahapan administrasi pun di tiap negara beda gitu loh.
Tadi juga dapat informasi terkait administrasi ya, karena administrasi untuk kuliah keluar kan juga banyak ya. Jadi tadi di dalam juga dijelasin kalau misalnya administrasinya itu dari tahap awal sampai tahap akhirnya juga dijelasin. Misalnya kayak kita harus butuh LOA, terus juga kita juga harus memastikan bahwa ada letter of guarantee gitu ke uni apa segala macam. Jadi tahapan administrasi dari awal sampai akhir di program ini sih semua dijelasin sih gitu. Soal budaya tadi juga sempat nanya-nanya, karena kan ada konselornya yang emang langsung ya dari Australia, jadi kurang lebih dijelasin semua budaya-budayanya, terutama budaya untuk pelajar seperti apa sih kalau misalnya kita kuliah di Australia seperti itu.
Aku Indah dari Bogor.
Saya Gaby dari Bogor juga.
Datang ke sini sih karena kita berdua udah ada plan untuk kuliah di luar, especially-nya itu di Australia. Makanya datang sini kebetulan emang mau tahu aja lebih jelasnya kayak gimana. Kalau dari aku sih sebenarnya baru punya plan untuk sekolah di Australia aja. Sama jurusannya, tapi sebenarnya belum tahu yang kayak detailnya mau di universitas mana-mananya. Nah, terus datang sini ternyata tadi emang alurnya sih aku datangnya konsultasi dulu, dikasih tahu nih universitas apa aja kira-kira yang emang ada nih yang dari untuk jurusan yang aku pengen. Baru dari situ aku ke universitas yang ada di dalamnya itu di Australia. Di situ juga ramai banget tadi ya, banyak ternyata orang yang sama nih yang mau banyak pengen tahu kayak aku, dan dijelasin juga secara detail dari konsultan dari per universitasnya. Keren banget sih, sangat amat membantu. Yang tadinya belum ada cuma punya gambaran kasar, sekarang lebih mendetail dan lebih tahu harus kemana, harus ngapain, harus apa yang dipersiapkan, kurang lebih sih gitu.
Iya, sama kurang lebih kayak gitu juga. Saya juga maunya ke Australia untuk ambil master degree. Sudah juga punya inceran untuk universitas dan juga jurusan. Tapi karena biasanya ngeliatnya di website, kalau sekarang karena langsung bertemu dengan pihak universitinya itu sangat amat membantu. Jadi kita bisa tahu apa yang harus kita persiapkan dan juga kita harus bagaimana next-nya gitu. Jadi sangat insightful banget untuk teman-teman, mungkin bisa datang langsung ke sini next time jika memang ada IDP di Jakarta lagi atau di tempat-tempat kalian semua.